Sneaker event cash out time. I'm going to a sneaker event where I'm gonna cash out, sell a bunch of sneakers so that I can take that money and reinvest it here back into my YouTube channel. Before we jump into the video, I'm gonna ask you guys to please take a second, click that like button. Let's get this video up to an easy 500 likes. If you guys get this video up to that 500 like goal, we're going to announce a brand new sneaker giveaway next week. Trust me, you want to be a part of the next giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into this straight fire sneaker event cash out vlog. What's up, guys? We're here at Garden State Sneaker Convention. We got a lot of shoes and I'm vending shoes for sale. I'm cashing out, looking to cash out, invest this money into other sneakers. So we're here at an event. Let's do it. Got a lot of shoes for sale. I didn't bring everything. There's a lot I left home, but I did bring some stuff. Cash out and just reinvest. Let's do it. You want both of these? 470? Let's do it. 470, he's gonna take the biohacks and the 700 V3. Both dead stock. Cool. Let's do it. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Cool. Thank you, boss. Have a good day.
Subscribe to Danny Moore on YouTube.
Free giveaway. I wanted to jump in here real quick and let you guys know about the Lightning 4 giveaway that's going on the channel. All you guys need to do to enter this giveaway is hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. The giveaway video link is down below in the description. Go to that video, leave a comment on that video with your size and your Instagram or your email, and you'll be entered to win a free pair of Lightning 4s in your size. This giveaway ends this week, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. Make sure you guys get this video up to that 500 like goal so that I can announce a brand new sneaker giveaway next week. Alright, so you're taking the 11s? 280? Cool, 280.
Those are an 11. 240, 220. 220. Hit an even number. What's that? 280, 500 even.
Carmine's 2 for 220. So we're doing 5 for both? Give me 360. Yeah? 360 on these. 340. Charity, 300 Royal Toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pair cash out. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, brother. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1680. Awesome. Thank you, brother. You want to shout the store?
Yeah, Showtime Sneaker Boutique in Jersey Gardens Mall, and then we'll open a new one in Philadelphia. Showtime.
Check them out. Check them out. They got heat, kicks for sale. Thank you, bro.
Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Travis Scott Fragments with the Drip Grip. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. Use my discount code Danny10, save you 10% off your order. It's gonna keep the bottoms fresh when I wear them right now, and keep the resale value high. Travis Scott Fragments. Awesome. Put these on. Woo! Fire.
Start recording. I put on all the cash. Alright, what are we doing for these two?
470.
470? Alright, let's run it.
470.
460. I'll just buy it. I'll buy it. So you're taking these, right? Oh, yes, sir. 150 now? Yeah.
So, Silver Toes and the Desert Sage. 470.
Yes, sir. There you go. It add up, though.
Thank you. Want to shout out your Instagram or anything?
Shout out Backboard Kicks on Instagram. Backboard like basketball, no underscore. Cool.
Thank you, bro. Cool.
Would you do 400?
No. When I say 460, I'll give you $10 off 450.
I'll probably hold off for now. I'll make it back.
Come back if anything. Right? Go to 1-2 Green right here for 135. Go, brother. Thank you. Well, thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you, bro. You want to shout out your Instagram? Anything for YouTube?
Yeah, you can check me out at my business page is at The Exalted Group, and my personal is at The Prince Ali with a Y at the end. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
If it's meant, it's meant. You know how we get? We drop shit for the fucking thing.
Thank you, bro. You want to shout out
Sweetest Heathenist on Instagram. It's the brand right here.
I can't feel my feet. That's fire. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. $180 for the mids, Chicago mids. If you want to cash anything else out, let me know. I can give you the deal on anything else. Go to 180 on these.
All right, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you, boss.
All right, appreciate it. Yeah, Fly Sanders, FLYSTANDERDS.
There you go.
Check me out. All right.
Give him a follow. Thank you, boss. It's 3:30. The event ends at about 5, and I've sold about $3,000 worth of shoes so far. Not bad, not bad. A lot of people here. Could be a little busier, but I like that it's spaced out, have room to actually breathe and walk around, which is dope. This event's awesome, so make sure you guys pull up to the next event. This is awesome, man. A lot of shoes. Let me show you guys what's left. I did sell some stuff, trade some stuff. My brother bought some stuff, traded some stuff. So let me show you guys the table. Unions, 1s, 4s, some more Jordan 1s, some foam runners. Got some more Jordans. I bought trophy rooms, probably not going to move them, but bought them anyway. I bought altogether roughly 25-ish pairs, and I probably sold a solid half of them, maybe? So, doing pretty well, I like this event, it's dope. I love going to sneaker events, man. Haven't been to an event in a while, besides Boston Got Soul, but other than that, haven't been to an event in a while, so it's awesome being here. Man, vibes are lit. I miss sneaker events. So he's gonna take the Court Purples, 300, right? 300, let's do it. 300. Thank you. You want to shout your Instagram, anything like that?
Yeah, 908 Streetwear.
Give him a follow. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. 80, Neutral Bay Lows. Thank you, boss. You want to shout your Instagram, anything?
Big Gucci Rocker or follow us at Distorted Kicks.
There you go. Thank you, bro. Danny Moore on YouTube. Danny Moore. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please take a second and click that like button. It really does help the channel grow. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel as well. This sneaker event was fire. Made a good amount of money that I'm going to be reinvesting here back into my YouTube channel. I sold sneakers that I just didn't want to hold anymore. Some went up in value. Some of them I felt like were just not worth holding, so I let them go. Leave a comment down below. Let me know where you want me to go to next. What sneaker event should I come to next? It's because of you guys that I was actually able to even go to this sneaker event and any event that I've gone to. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.